Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be doing mini braids with beads, so if you're interested keep on watching. So I'm going to use the Camilla Rose Guava Slip Whip Souffle Styler to do my mini braids, and as you're seeing my hair is sectioned off into 3 or 4, and these are the beads that I will be using, which you will see later on in the video. Okay, so as you're seeing, the back section is already sectioned off, and what I'm going to do is do 3 braids in the back. So as you're seeing, I sectioned off that section of hair. I'm just using some water just to reactivate the leave-in conditioner that I already have in my hair, and just doing a little finger detangling before I go in with my comb to do a proper detangle, because you know you want your braids to be as smooth and as tangle free as possible. This is not the first time I'm using the Whip Souffle Styler, but I'm just using a small amount on my hair. Then I'm going in with a second amount just to fully coat the strands. I don't want a lot of product on my hair. Just using the comb to go through the hair one more time. Then I will just be doing a regular braid. This is not a tutorial on how to do a braid on natural hair, but this is me showing how I do my mini braids with beads. So as you're seeing, I'm just braiding my hair. I will speed up the process, then I will be back when all 3 braids in the back are completed. Alrighty, so as you're seeing, I'm just combing out the top part of my hair, getting ready to do the other braids. So I will do that, then I will get back when I'm finished all the braids. So now I'm done with all the mini braids. Don't they look so cute? They actually do. And they look shiny too. That's what I love about the Whip Souffle Styler. So these are the beads that I will be using. And I'm just going to section off my hair just so that the other braids don't get in the way of the braids that I want to work with at the present moment. And I must say, my hair has grown a lot. As I'm looking at these videos, I realize that my hair has grown a lot from 2023 to now. My hair has definitely grown a lot, which is proof that black hair grows. So what I'm going to do now is use a hairpin to just attach the bead. So as you're seeing, I'm bending the hair on the hairpin, and what you're going to see next is me attaching the bead onto the hairpin. Then I'm going to slide it up onto my hair. Then I'm going to use an elastic band to just secure that bead in place. I didn't have a lot of beads with me, so what I did was do one bead in the back section, then the other sections, as you will see in the coming clips, I did the 2 beads as I had originally planned. So what you saw here, I'm going to do for the rest of my hair, and we will be back with the finished results. I did have 2 colors, so what I did was use one light brown, one dark brown, and another light brown. So just alternating the colors just for a uniformed pattern. Okay, so as you're seeing, again, I am using the hairpin to attach the bead to my hair. I am bending my hair at the top of the hairpin. Then I am just sliding the bead so that it attaches to my hair. Then I will go in with an elastic band to secure that bead into place. I hope that makes perfect sense, but if not, you will see it in the clip. So as I previously told you, I was doing one light brown bead, a dark brown bead, then another light brown bead. So that's what I pretty much did throughout my hair to get a uniformed colored pattern. Alrighty, so as you're telling by my face, I am really enjoying this look. I really didn't expect this look to be so cute on me, but here are the results, just turning side to side so that you can see how it looks. And I used a total of 40 beads in my hair. This is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, leave a like and subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next one.